Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you tips and tricks that you can search in Google and very cool stuff happens. So you can, if you're using Google Chrome, it won't come up in the home page. You can't do it. You need to go to google.com and do whatever you do. Doesn't matter what browser you like. For example, if I go on Firefox and go to Google and go to the google.com, look, it still works. So you have to type, the first thing I want to show you is barrel roll. So if you just type barrel roll and press I'm feeling lucky, it spins, Google spins around. The next thing I want to show you is, which is very cool. So if you do Google Gravity, you will not expect this for it. Look. It's like Roblox, and it's like Google, not Roblox, and you can mess around with it. It's very cool. I don't know any other tips. If any of you guys know any other tips, you can tell me in the comments. Right now I don't know what else to do in the video, so goodbye.